Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. Today we discuss the grade 5 maths, multiply the fractions, and these are the names of the lesson. Multiply the fraction by whole number, multiply fraction by whole number using the number line, multiply fraction by whole number using the models, and multiply fraction by whole numbers set 2. Okay? Today we will discuss all these lesson regarding this chapter. All right, so these are all the lessons. First one today we will start this one. Multiply fractions by whole number because the previous one we already discussed in the previous lecture. Okay, so multiply fractions by whole number. Here is the name of the chapter. Multiply the fractions. So multiply fractions by whole numbers set 2. No, not set 2. It's set 1. Yeah, this one. All right. So multiply, simplify your answer and write it in a proper fraction or as a whole or a mixed number. Okay, we just write it like as a whole number or a mixed number or a proper and improper fraction. Let's get start. This is 6 times 1 over 6. Okay, so first of all, we make it 6 as a fraction. All right, like how? Just so I'm going to write it here 6 times 1 over 6. 1 over 6 is already in the form of fraction. Now we just put this a fraction. So how can we change this 6 as a fraction? So this becomes 6 over 1. Always we are doing that thing. Okay, because if here is nothing, so we are going to put 1 because the meaning of 1 is nothing here. All right. Okay, now just putting in place of this 6 is over 1 times 1 over 6. Multiply numerators with each and multiply denominators with each other. Always do that thing. Multiply numerators with each other and multiply denominators with each other. Okay, let's do it. 6 times 1 is 6, and then 1 times 6 is 6. These both 6 are same, so what we do? These are cancel out and the answer is 1. And 1 is a whole number. This is not a mixed number. This is not a proper or improper fraction. 1 is a whole number. So the answer of this question is whole number. Okay, let's do the next. Simplify your answer and write it as a proper fraction or as a whole or mixed numbers. 1 by times 7. Okay, let's do it. 1 by 7 times 7. Now, how can we put it? 1 by 7 times 7. We are just going to convert this 7 into, first of all, as a fraction. So 7 as a fraction. Okay, so we are going to change 7 into 7 over 1. Okay, like that way. Now put in place of this 7 is 7 over 1. So 1 over 7 times 7 over 1. Multiply the numerators with each other, multiply the denominators with each other. 1 times 7 is 7. 7 times 1 is 7. Both are same. Cancelling out, then we get the answer 1. Okay, let's do the next. This is the same thing. Here is 5 by 6 times 6. Let's do it. 5 times 5 by 6 times 6. First of all, which one is not in the form of fraction? The simple 6. So we convert this 6 into the fraction. Let's do it. So I'm going to convert this 6. This becomes 6 over 1. Okay. Now let's put in place 6 is 6 over 1. So 5 over 6 times 6 over 1. Multiply the numerators with each other and multiply the denominators with each other. What is the answer? 5 times 6 is, anyone? 5 times 6 is 30 and 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 1 is 6. Now, if you want to more divide, what is the answer? Because they are saying that you write your answer in the form of proper fraction or whole or mixed number. But here is proper fraction. Am I right? Here is improper fraction. And we just want to convert. If the answer is here 6 over 30, then we are saying that yes, this is right because this is proper fraction. Then we are not able to divide or something. But here is improper fraction. How it's improper? How it's improper fraction? Because look, its numerator is greater as compared to the denominator. But and we convert this question, like we convert all the question into the proper fraction or into the mixed number or into the whole number. So that's why we're going to divide. So 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 5 is 30. So what's the answer we get it? That is 5. And 5 is a whole number. Okay? All right. Yeah, good. 5 is a whole number. Now let's do the next. So the next is, let's do the test question for that. Some of the test questions. Multiply and simplify your answer and write it as a proper fraction. Always the numerator is greater and denominator is less. And as a whole number or mixed number. Write it 3 by 4 times 4. Let's do it. 3 by 4 times 4. First of all, convert 4 into the fraction. This becomes 4 over 1. Now put in place of this one is 3 by 4 times over 1. Multiply. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 1 is 4. Again the proper fraction. Now just divide it. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. Then you got the answer 3. Okay. Let's put here is 3. Understand? Let's do the next. This one we already discussed that question. 6 into 1 by 6. And what's the answer with 1? We already do it that one. Okay. 8 times 8. Let's do that one. 8 7 over 8. 8 times 7 over 8. First of all, convert this 8 into the fraction. So 8 is converting into 8 over 1. Put in place of this one is 8 over 1. Let me write here now. This becomes 8 over 1 times 7 over 8. So what's the answer? 8 times 7 is 56. 8 times 1 is 8. Again the improper fraction divided. 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 7 is 56. So what's the answer? That is 7. So is here 7? Yes, that is here. Let's check. Yes, our answer is right. You all solve this one and then tell me what's the answer for that. 1 by 7 times 7. Do it that one. 1 by 7 times 7. What's the answer? Good, it's 1. Okay, let's do one more question. What's the answer for that? This is again the one. Already done it now. Okay, just solve this one. 9 by 10 times 9. 9 by 10 times 9. Let's do it. 9 over 10 times 10. So 9 by 10 times 10 over 1. So this is 90 over 10. Again improper fraction. We are going to divide and the answer is 9. Okay, here is 9. It's not 1, it's 9. Okay, now you solve the rest of the question by yourself. Hope you guys understand this lesson. Let's do the next. We have done the multiply fraction by whole number set 1. Let's do this one. Multiply fraction by whole number using the number line. Okay. Okay, now look. This is basically the question. The model shows the product of 1 by 5 and 2. This is the number line that is given here. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and these are by 5. Okay. Complete the multiplication sentence that match the model. 1 by 5 times 2. That is your question. 1 by 5 times 2. Let's do it. So then we're finding it out. 1 by 5 times 2. What is the answer? First of all, convert this into the fraction. So it becomes 1 by 5 times 2 over 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 1 is 5. Answer is 2 by 5. Okay. Now when you are finding out your answer 2 by 5, let's check where is 2 by 5 lie. Because already number line is given. So at this place 2 by 5 is lie. So we can say that this is basically the 2 by 5. Okay. Now this model shows the product of 1 by, what is the meaning of product? Product means multiplication. Okay. Product of 1 by 2 and 7. 1 by 2 and 7. Here is 1 by 2 and here is 7. Let's multiply first of all, then check where it's stop. Okay. 1 by 2 product of 7. Product of 1 by 2 and 7. Okay, and here is the number line which is given. Let's draw the number line. One number line we are going to draw it here. Okay. The number line they are giving it 0 to 10. It's 0 to 10? Yeah, it's 0 to 10. That is 0, which is 1. Then it's 2. It's 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, then 9, and then 10. And each is divided over 2. Okay. All right now. And then they are saying that we are just going to find 1 by 2 times 7. Now 1 by 2 as it is the same, and 7 can be converted into fraction becomes 7 over 1. So multiply numerators with each other and multiply denominators with each other. So 1 times 7 is 7 and 2 times 1 is 2. So where is 7 by 2? Like we are moving from this to this to this and here. This one is 7 by 2. Okay? This is basically the thing. So how many steps we're going to move? Look at here now. Let's taking from the fun. This is 1, then it's 2, then it's 3, then it's 4, then it's 5, 6, and then it's 7. Okay? These are the 7 steps that we move it and this becomes 7 over 2. Now let's do one more question for that and then we're doing the test questions. Now this model shows the product of 1 by 5 and 9. 1 by 5 and 9. Product. Product of 1 by 5 and 9. What does it mean? Product means the multiplication of 1 by 5 and 9. What we do firstly? First of all, we are converting this 9 into the fraction. So 1 by 5 times 9 over 1. Okay? We are converting 9 over 1. 9 into 9 over 1. Now, 1 times 9 is, that is 9, and 5 times 1 is 5. This is 9 over 5. And here, where is 9 over 5? Look at here the number line, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And all is divided by 5. Now we're going to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And here the 9 is lie. Then we just mentioned it. Like for example, here is the number line. We already draw it. Where is the 9? Here. This is your 8 and that is your 9. So we just mentioned this thing here. Okay. Now let's do some test questions for that. So this model shows the product of 6 and 1 by 5. So let's model of 6 and 1 by 5. Look at here the model. On the model we already in the model already wrote it. Look at here from where the arrow stops. Arrow stops at 6 over 5. That's it. This is your answer. Okay. Now check. This model shows the product of 1 by 5 and 2. Where the arrow stops. Now you all tell me. Check this question and then tell me the answer. Where the arrow stops? At 2 by 5. Look at here. This is 0 to 1 by 5, then 1 by 5 to 2 by 5. So we can say that 2 by 5 is answer. Okay. Now the model shows the product of 1 by 2 and 7. And your arrow stops at 0 to 1 by 2, then 1 by 2 to 2 by 2, then 2 by 3 by 2, 4 by 2, 5 by 2, 6 by 2, and 7. Arrow stops at here. And when you finding it and when you write your answer like 1 by 2 and 7, let's check what is the answer of by 2 and 7. Okay, this is 1 by 2. Multiply. How to convert this one? 7 over 1. So 1 times 7 is 7. 2 times 1 is 2. So the answer we got it. This is 7 over 2. Okay, that's it. Alright, hope you guys understand this one. Now you all tell me the answer of this question. Then we will start the next lesson. Do it all. Tell me answer. Let's check. This model shows the product of 10 and 1 by 4, and at which point the arrow stops. And what is the product of 10 and 1 by 4? You all solve it on your notebooks and then tell me the answer. This is basically stops at the point 10 by 4, and then we finding it out, then we just multiplying, we get it. Yes, it's 10 by 4. Good. So we just simply put it. The answer is there any 10 by 4? Yes, on the numerator. Sorry, on that option A. Then we check it out. This is 10 by 4. Okay. Now let's do the next lesson. Hope you guys understand this one. Now we are going to start multiply the fractions by whole number using models. Okay. So now just give me a second. I'm going to open this as, yeah. Now, which model represents the product? 2 times 5 by 6. Okay, 2 times 5 by 6. First of all, I'm going to tell you what this 2 shows. Okay, then what is this 5 by 6 shows. All right, for example, first I'll be finding it out the answer. What is the answer of 2 into 5 by 6? 2 means like here 2 groups. Okay, 2 means here like 2 groups. Look at here. First one is the blue and this one is like that one. How much total? This 2 shows the whole. How much the whole total are here? 1 and 2. 1 and 2 in each of it. 5 by 6 means how many total boxes in each? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 5 means how many colored are here. Okay? Look at here. This is each shape has 6 equal parts. So we are putting the 6 in the denominator. And then each part represent the fraction. Yes, this is represent the fraction. So when you are finding it out the product of, first of all, let's finding out the product of 2 into 5 by 6. Let's do it. First we finding it out product of 2 into over 6. What's the answer? Convert this fraction. This becomes 2 over 1 times 5 over 6. So what's the answer? 2 times 5 is 10. 6 times 1 is 6. Okay. 10 over 6. Let's check. Let's check in each of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 is basically colored. How much whole in all of it? 2 is whole. And how much in 1? How many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's the answer? The blue one or the other one? Blue one is the answer. Okay. If we are checking it out, the second one. Look it out. How many small boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's it. Other one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All are colored. But the answer is 10. It means that only 10 parts are colored here. But here is only all the parts are colored. So which is 12. So that is not our answer. So we can say that this is not a correct model. Okay. Let me write here one question related to that one. Draw the figures and then we finding it out. The solution. For example, here is square. Here are the two squares. Okay. And each square have 4 parts. First I'm going to choose the first model, this one. Okay. And now let's colored this one, this one, all the 4, and here is only the 2 parts. Okay. Now let's draw the other. First of all, let me tell you what is this model. That means 2 is whole. Okay. How much? 2 is whole. Then how many total in it? One, look at here. One, two, three, four. Okay, these are four. So we are writing it here four. Just like that one. Just like that one. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six. Six is basically that thing. And now we are finding it out the answer of this. Like if I'm not writing it here the answer firstly. Just telling you that thing. Okay. Like this way we are going to write. Now let's draw the shape of any. Let's taking this one. These are the three circles. 3 into 2 by 4. Your answer is 3 into, first of all, let's write 3 into 2 over 4. Finding it out the answer of that one, firstly. Then we draw the shapes. What's the answer? This becomes 3 over 1 times 2 over 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, it means 4. Let's draw the shape. 3 circles. 3 circles here. Okay, and then 3 circles are here. And then 3 circles are here. Each is divided into four equal parts. 4 parts, 4 parts, and then 4 parts. This 3 shows whole. How much whole circle? 1, 2, 3 in first case. Now in second case, it's again 3. Okay. What is the meaning of 4? 4 means it is divided into 4 equal parts. Each circle is divided into 4 equal parts. Okay. This is your first model and that is your second model. This is your second model. Okay. Now look, they are saying that 3, these are the 3 one, and also the colored. I'm just going to colored. In the first model, one part, sorry, one part is colored. It's not like match properly. In first one part is colored, but in the second one, two part. It's again not properly matched here. That's why. In the second one, again the two part is colored. Second one, two part is colored, and the first one only one part is colored. Okay, but what does this 3 shows? 3 shows how many circle in each model. One complete circle, second complete circle, third complete circle. Same the thing here. One complete circle, second complete circle, third complete circle. Okay, this 3 shows the whole circles. Now what this 4 shows? 4 shows how many parts in each circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is right. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So each circle is divided into 4 equal parts. What this 2 shows? 2 shows in each circle divided into 4 equal parts and the 2 parts of is colored. So which model have 2 parts of each circle is colored? In the first one or in the second one? In the first one, only one part is colored. Look, this is only the one part, only the one part, only the one part. But in the second one, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So we can say that what is our answer? Second model is our answer. Understood or not? Hope you guys understand this one. Okay, this 3 always shows the whole. How many whole circle? How many complete shapes? Like if I'm going to draw the 3 triangles, how many triangles are shows? 3. So this shows that whole. Okay. Now this 4, This 4 shows how many parts of each side in each figure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, let me draw here a one shape and then explain it again. This should be divided into like for example here. Okay, and I'm just going to colored this one, and this one. First of all, tell me how many whole shapes are here? Only one. Times how many of it total parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write it in the denominator. How many colored? 1, 2, 3. 3 are colored. Understand now? Let's do some test questions. For that, just give me a second now. Sorry for that. Let me just. Okay, just give me a second. I'm going to share it again now. Okay, now I'm going to share it again. So now I'm going to share it. Which less chapter going to discuss? Multiply the fractions. It's too small now. It's better. Okay, we're going to discuss that third lesson. Okay, now let's move to the test. Which model represent the product 3 into 5 by 9? First of all, check 3 is how many hole in the first model? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is wrong because when we started, we check it out. There is 3 holes, so there is 4. It's wrong. So it means that the first one, this one is right because 3 is whole here. Okay. How many total small boxes in each? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And how many colored? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is colored. 9 is total number of total boxes, and 3 is total number of boxes here, number of squares here. Okay. So option is the right one. Let's click with that. This is right. Okay, let's do this one. Which model represents the product 4 into 2 by 5? 4 is total figures. Check it out. Which one is 4 figures? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Both the models have 4 figures. Let's check the next. By 5. Small boxes are 5 in all of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in that one. And we're checking. This is not I. I'm not clicking this one. And check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In each of it, this is 5. Let's check the colored part. They are saying that colored part is 2. 2 boxes are colored. So in the first one, only one part is covered. In the second one, two part is colored. So we can say that option B is our answer. Okay. Now let's discuss the 4 times 2 by 4. What does it mean? 4. This is like, let's draw something here. Then we explain. If I'm going to draw here are two shapes. in one model. Now you all tell me the answer of that. Okay? First of all, tell me how many total figures are here? 2. We put it here. Times how many small number of boxes in each figure? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is again 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write it in the denominator. How many colored in each of it? That is 2, which is put numerator. Got it? We are going to write like that way. Hope you guys understand this lesson. Then let's do the last one. This one. Multiply the fractions by whole numbers. Set 2. Okay? So this is 1 by 3 times 2, and we convert this one as a proper fraction or as a whole or mixed number. So 3 times 2, what is the answer of that? As we already know, 1 by 3 times 2, fall we convert this to fraction. So what is the answer when we convert it? So this becomes 2 can be changed into 2 over 1. This is the fraction form of that 2. Okay, now let's put 1 times 2 over 1, because 1 means nothing, so we can put it 1 here. Now multiply numerator with each other and multiply denominators with each other. 2 times 1 is 2 and 3 times 1 is 3. That is your answer. Let's do the next. 2 times 4 by 5. Okay? And convert this fraction as a whole number or mixed number. So 2 4 by 5. 2 times 4 by 5. Okay? So convert this one as a fraction. 2 by 1 times 4 over 5. What is the answer? Multiply numerators with each other. Multiply denominators. 2 times 4 is 8. 5 times 1 is 5. Now look. But they are saying that convert it into the mixed or whole. But this improper fraction. So 5 is basically divided over 8 is basically divided over 5. So how can we divide it? Because there is no proper table. So we divide it. Let's do it. Okay. 8 is inside of the multiplication. 5 is outside of the multiplication. Then 5 times 1 is 5. Then after subtraction, 8 minus 5, the answer 3. Okay. We are doing this thing. And then to convert it. Alright. How to convert? This top, we are going to write it here. This bottom, we are going to write it on the top. And this 5 is still same position. So our answer is 1 into 3 by 5. This is your mixed fraction. Understand? Let's do the next. Let's do some questions from the test. Now, so 8 by 9 times 7. Let's solve this question. 8 by 9 times 7. So 7 can be changed into the answer is 7 over 1. Now multiply numerators with each other. 8 times 7 is 56. 9 times 1 is 9. Let's divide 9 over 56. Is there any proper 9 is divided over 56? Because this is proper fraction. Okay? This one is greater, this one is less. This is not proper. Okay? improper. So we can convert this 56 over 9, and we are going to convert it. Let's do it. Putting 9 outside of the number, putting 56 in it, because we are going to convert it into the proper or mixed, because this is improper. So number closer to 56, 9 times 6 is 54. Okay, and that is closer to that one, no. So we are going to put 9 times 6, 54. How much is left? 6 minus 4 is 2, and 5 minus 5 is 0, so we are not able to write. Put this 6 here. Now 2 on the top and 9 still the same position. 6 into 2 by 9 is the answer. Let's do. Is there any option for 6 into 2 by 9? Yes, it's. Then we are going to move with that answer. Okay? 8 times 3. Let's do that one. 3 by 8 times 3. Converting into the fraction, here is 1. 8 times 3 is 9. 8 times 1 is 8. Again the improper fraction. Let's divide. 9 is inside. 9 is inside. And 8 is outside. Now tell me, 8 times which number? 8 times 1 is 8. Now what is left? 9 minus 1. What's the answer then? 1 into 1 over 8. Okay? 1 into 1 over 8. So we are going to write our answer 1 into 1 over 8. Let's do. Is there any answer for 1 into 1 over 8? Yes, this one. Okay. So what is this one? 3 into 1 by 2. Again, you are going to convert this one as a mixed fraction. 3, sorry, 3 times 1 by 2. This can be changed into 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. Let's divide. 3 is inside, 2 is outside. 2 times is 2. Only 1 is left. How can we write our answer? Top is here, bottom is on the top, and 2 is still same position. So 1 into 1 by 2. Let's check it here. Hope you guys understand all the chapter that today we discuss. This one, grade 5 maths, multiply the fractions, and these are all the lessons today we covered. And if you still need any help in any of the lesson, contact on our tutors that are available on the Skype 5 9 p.m. Monday to Friday. Okay. So for now, have a good day, you all. Bye.